Feeling like there's never enough time in your day? Yeah. ChatGPT isn't just for answering questions. It can actually save you hours on repetitive tasks. In this guide, I'll show you how to save time using ChatGPT in 2026. Start by automating emails, reports, meeting notes, or social media posts. Provide a prompt with context and tone, and ChatGPT can draft professional content in seconds. Instead of reading long articles, reports, or emails, ask ChatGPT to summarize them. It can highlight key points, action items, or trends in a fraction of the time. Set up prompts for recurring tasks, like weekly reports, email responses, or social media posts. Reusing these templates saves time and keeps results consistent. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for marketing campaigns, blog topics, product names, or strategies. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, get multiple options in seconds. For complex tasks, break them into smaller prompts. Ask ChatGPT to outline first, then generate content, then refine. Step by step guidance keeps things organized and prevents wasted effort. To speed up decision making, ask ChatGPT for several options in one go. For example, 3 email drafts, 5 headlines, or multiple social media captions. Then just pick the best one. If the first output isn't perfect, guide ChatGPT with follow ups. Ask it to simplify, expand, or adjust the tone faster than editing manually. And that's it. Automate repetitive writing, generate summaries, use templates, brainstorm ideas, break tasks into steps, request multiple options, and refine quickly. With these strategies, ChatGPT can save you hours every day, every